Back, weather-related version, my crappy commute, part 56. Blizzard of 2010, Boston. Coming up on the end of Blossom Street here. Applying the brakes, sliding a bit. I'm gonna cut that guy off. Almost did though. People are taking it easy. What up, fool? Let me out. Let me out. Waiting for the tires to grab, and we're off. Most of the snow is already on the ground. Seems to be some blowing. We got a little layer of slush on Sturrow Drive here. Pretty this time of year, though. Alright, so we're down to couple lanes here. My northbound lane going left is snow covered. Well, I guess there'll be more to follow. Just waiting on the light here.